time, a hot bowl of soup will cool down as it's left out in the room. So let's say we have a bowl of soup and it's starting off at time 0. It's 237 degrees Fahrenheit. 5 minutes later, we check it, and now it's 208 degrees. So you see it's cooled down a little bit in that 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes go by, so a total of 10 minutes has passed. Now it's 182. And then we wait another 10 minutes. So far 20 minutes has passed. Test the temperature, it's 142. On average, how much was it cooling off during each minute of that first 20 minutes? If we want to find the average change, what we might call the average rate of change, average rate of cooling off, we want to take how much did it change, how much did the temperature change, and we want to divide that by how many minutes there are. So how much did the temperature change? Well, it went down, so we're going to call that a negative. And then how much did it go down? Well, how much of a change is there from 237 to 142? So you could do 237 minus 142 and then make it negative. Technically what we're doing is taking the final minus the initial, which is why it ends up negative, because you have 142 minus 237. So what do we get when we do that subtraction? We get 95. And then we want to divide that by how many minutes it took to go down 95 degrees. How many minutes passed from 0 to 20? That's pretty easy, that's 20. If we were trying to go from 10 to 20, we'd have to do some subtraction there, 20 minus 10. But 20 minus 0, you can do that, no problem. So go ahead and do that division. And that's how you get your average rate of change in the first 20 minutes. What about if we wait another 20 minutes? Let's add here to our table. We wait another 20 minutes. So now a total of 40 minutes has passed. Now it's really cooled off. What was the average rate of change in the next 20 minutes? So we just want to go from here to here. We're still going to do final minus initial. This time, though, it's going to be 92 minus 142. So what is final minus initial? What is 92 minus 142? And then we're going to do the 40 minus the 20. Again, not too difficult to do with mental math there, but that's 20 minutes. We waited for another 20 minutes. So over that next 20 minutes, on average, how much was the temperature changing? It dropped 2.5 degrees every minute. So which interval had the greatest rate of change? The one that was changing most rapidly was that first 20 minutes. So we're going to say there's our largest amount right there.